Nerja, Spain.
Nerja is located on the Costa del Sol's eastern edge, in the province of Malaga, 50 kilometers from the city of Malaga, and an hour and a half from Granada and the Sierra Nevada ski resort. Sierra Almijara, formerly a peaceful fishing community, sheltered by the majestic Sierra Almijara mountain range, is today one of the most popular tourist resorts along the coast, with a population of over 12,000 people. The town has resisted too much redevelopment and high-rise apartment towers, preferring to remain a lovely seaside town that attracts the more discerning holidaymaker. It is known as the jewel of the Costa del Sol. The Balcón de Europa, European balcony, a beautiful promenade spanning along the edge of a rising cliff top, that was formerly the site of a Moorish castle, is one of the town's most striking attractions. The platform offers breathtaking panoramic views of the Mediterranean shoreline against a mountainous backdrop. Nerja is one of the most appealing holiday destinations on the Costa del Sol, thanks to its profound Andalusian culture, ideal temperature, and cosmopolitan vibe. Nerja boasts 16 kilometers of white sand beaches with sparkling clean and tranquil sea, as well as a scattering of small bays. Water skiing, scuba diving, and sailing are among the many water sports offered along the shore. Burriana and Tercela are the two main beaches, both of which have been given the blue flag. Burriana Beach is a popular hangout for locals and visitors alike, where you can eat exquisite shellfish grills on the beach, and the specialty midday giant paella. Or if you want to treat yourself to a delicious English steak and kidney pie at the Black Horse, washed down with a customary pint. The ancient area of town, with its tiny, twisting lanes and whitewashed houses with wrought iron terraces full with geraniums, where a canary can occasionally be heard singing, has remained largely unchanged. A horse-drawn carriage can be hired to tour the town's most noteworthy streets and attractions. The 17th-century Church of El Salvador and the gardens of Capistrano Playa are must-sees in Nerja. There are numerous restaurants and cafes to pick from, as well as numerous attractive plazas, squares, from which to watch the world go by. The famed Cuves de Nerja, or Nerja Caves, are only 3 kilometers from the town center, and are extremely easy to reach by following the directing signs. They are underground caves featuring stalagmites, stalactites, and tall columns. The caves are home to the world's widest column, the magnificent central column of the Sala del Cataclism Hall, which stands 32 meters tall. View the Paleolithic wall paintings, which date back over 20,000 years, as well as the karstic voids produced by water erosion of marble. There is a museum and gift shop attached to the caves, as well as a cafe with beautiful views. These are breathtakingly gorgeous caves that you should not miss while in Nerja. A flamenco music and dance event is conducted inside the caves every July. There are miles and miles of Andalusian scenery to explore further inland. There are also beautifully preserved and charming whitewashed pueblos blancos, white villages, in the mountains below Nerja. One such settlement is Frigiliana, which has remained almost unchanged over the years. Frigiliana is a lovely and dramatic Andalusian village, set on a mountainside about 6 kilometers from Nerja's resort. Tapas are an important element of Spanish cuisine, and there are several fantastic tapas bars in and around Nerja. Order a drink and you'll almost always get a few tapas. It have its own specialty dishes, such as de la donchela, red mullet dish, and pescuezo frito, fried fish, platter of fried fish. Nerja has a vast range of cuisines to choose from. You will be spoiled for choice. Nerja has an average of 3,500 hours of annual sunshine, with temperatures of 30 degrees Celsius in the summer, and 15 degrees Celsius in the short winter.